Welcome to Ha Noi. Happy New Year. This is the morning after in the new year of the horse. It's not really morning anymore. It's already 10 or 10:30, but it's still very calm. I'm gonna take a stroll here south. I'm gonna go and visit one of my friends and members of this channel here, Volker. And he's gonna stay in the Hilton. Let's see how that is. I'm not sure what this is going on here. Maybe it's another embassy. Huh. So yesterday, he also sent me a screenshot of the air pollution is very bad today, and I can't imagine why. Because yesterday I saw so many people burning the lucky money or something, not the lucky fake money and other things. So yesterday they had so many fires everywhere. But hey, what is this? Fat Cat Coffee and Matcha. I don't think it's open, but it looks good. Salted coffee for $1. But yeah, which embassy is this? Why is this embassy so big? It's huge. Let's see. I think I have to go this way. I don't see which embassy it is. Huh. I will try out, when I walk back, we'll try one more route. So I think I have to walk this way. And there's another embassy. So I think my hotel is completely in the embassy zone here. And I will make a hotel review on the hotel where I'm staying. I will post it. And when I'm leaving, then I will also show where I stay. So what is this? France? The French embassy? It's Ukraine, France and Europe. So what is the country? Huh. Paris. I guess it's France. Huh. So the French embassy has a newly built building, not a French colonial villa like before. Huh. But what is this? There's more security here. I'm not sure what embassy is right next to it. But it's very interesting to see that the French embassy has a modern building, while everyone else has the older French buildings. I think there are even more now here. I'm not sure what this is. But this is not an embassy. This is Police Ha Noi City. So I think this is also one of the safest streets you can be here. This is the big police station here. What is that? Literature, Arts and Association. Vietnam Union of Literature, Arts and Association. Beautiful building. Very, very charming here. I love all the trees here also. It is very calm today. It is a Tuesday morning. I think at this time it would be very busy in a normal day. Stores are all closed. I think we walked by here the other day. Yes, I think we walked by here. There's the opera. I just have to continue walking this street here. So yesterday there was a huge celebration around the Hoan Kim Lake. We saw it on the TV, but my friend Volker was also there. And it was very, very busy. And they also showed on the TV Ha Noi and Ho Chi Minh City. And I would have loved to be in Da Nang. But to be honest, I really don't care about New Year's, any New Year. The good thing is, if you like New Year's, it's like you can have many a year, right? You start with the December 31st New Year, then usually Tet and Chinese New Year, then I think there's Indian New Year, and then the fun one is the water fest of Songkran. What is like 3 to 5 days of partying in Thailand. This is also a crazy New Year. So if you're into New Year's, you just have to travel a little bit, and you have several a year. But for me, I would just want to sleep, man. I enjoyed, the only thing I enjoyed is like the cultural aspect, what the people doing, but not really the cheersing and oh, look at this. The drinking and partying, I don't like that. Damn. Okay. Looks a little bit French, the guy. Salut. Salut? I don't know. Oh, Indonesia. I don't know if I can film these embassies here or not. I don't think there are like high risk factors here. At least Indonesia, no. There will probably be some embassies you cannot film here. But I don't think those are the ones. But it's very calm and kind of quietish. One of my favorite cars here, the Winfest VF3, next to a Volvo. A Volvo is a kind of bougie car here, I think. I think if you have been here in the streets, you've probably never seen it so quiet and so few people here. Buncha. Ooh. I don't know what this is. So this is now 10:30. Guys, it's so calm. Well, one coffee shop is open. It's good. It's good to know. I think somewhere here I have to go. Right. What embassy is this? It's also stylish. What is that here? That's probably the official building. But what is this? Philippines? Looks like Philippines. Or I gotta double check the flag of Philippines. Yes, Philippines. That was the Philippine embassy here in Hanoi. So the embassies are many times the embassy, and then there's the official building right opposite. The Vietnamese official building. It's like so the embassy can look out and know exactly where you are. You know who belongs to the land here. Love it. Okay, somewhere here has to be the Hilton Garden Inn. Huh. Oh, maybe it's over there. I always thought Hilton Garden Inn is a pretty modern hotel chain, but it's not here. It's a little bit old, in my opinion. But we'll find out how the lobby looks. Maybe I can even film inside one day for my hotel review video. But yeah, this is how calm it is at the moment, guys. Check this out. Crazy, right? And I'm German, so I don't jaywalk. When I lived in Sweden, they always said, bro, why don't you walk? There's no car. I'm like, it's red for a reason, right? And they're like, dude, stop being that German. So yeah, the Swedish people, they also jaywalk, like everyone. Probably, it's just always in Germany you get taught, don't do it if there are children around, so they don't see it. Or we just, if there's the red light, we just go 5 meters away and then cross the street. Then it's not illegal anymore. I think this is the Hilton Garden Inn, yeah. And it looks like an old building here. Hello! Look at this guy. It's my screen here. How do you like the hotel?
Well,
Old, right?
it's old.
Yeah.
It's old. The service is good. Yes.
Okay.
The staff is very friendly, but they
Yeah.
need a renovation.
I know. I mean, I saw it and I'm like, I'm actually happy with my hotel. Alright guys, we're gonna go and have a coffee. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Check out this video here and see you in the next one.